terms of the early stuff that you would do in terms of design is you're trying to figure out who am I designing this for. So there's lots of exercises around building up learner personas. What kind of students do you have? What kind of people are there? What are their needs? Or things like an empathy map. And I'll just show you that one here. So that's like, again, filling out like, you know, who are the learners? What kind of problems do they have, in order that we know how to design for those types of students. Mainly though, I mean, the big thing here is that you need an organized method for engaging in decision making around the module narrative. What is the experience of taking this module going to be like? What is going to go into the module? You know, what kind of balance are you going to have between content, whether it's passive or and or interactive? You know, what kind of activities are you going to have in there? What kind of discussions? Where will the points of summative informative feedback be? Where will the points of real-time contact be? Will they be lectures or tutorials or workshops? You know, you have to try and make sure that the workload for students is realistic, all that kind of thing. So, I mean, previously, I think we've kind of used our own hodgepodge of kind of approaches to this, but at the moment, we have adopted the ABC Learning Design Framework as a method for designing our modules, for engaging this kind of design work, and the TEU gives lots of great support on ABC. ABC, it's a really good method for sort of facilitating, figuring out what is structuring the flow of the module, figuring out what kind of things are going to go into it and how you're going to storyboard it. It moves you towards being able to storyboard your module, figuring out what's going to go into it and in what order. And then we also use a kind of a program based approach to organizing assessment. So we would have sort of assessment matrix spreadsheets that kind of map out how assessment is going to work across a whole program. So that helps us to design it into a particular module. The course layout, we follow our developed template that I was showing you earlier, with adaptations to suit a particular module's needs.